Hello my friends, welcome to Insider Korean channel, this is Uncle Misha, and today we're looking at this Geekria headphones accessory expert. So these are quick fit audio cable compatible with Sennheiser, whatever HD400 PRO, I don't know, HD599. This is what I'm interested in. Why? I'll show you why. Why? Because I had these headphones and this long cable. This long cable is actually genuine Sennheiser cable. I found it, I got it at thrift store for $7.99, all this together. So headphones are really good. The cable is nice, but quite long and has this thing. So I have to always use some kind of adapter, annoying. So I decided to see if this inexpensive headphone adapter from Geekria is decent or not. So let's just unbox it and see what do we get when I nicely unbox it. Who knows, maybe this is crap, I have to return it. Okay. Well, now open it nicely, as I mentioned. Packaging seems to be quite flimsy. Just right there. Stop before you return. Okay, expedite refund or replacement. Okay, this is just a little note here. What do we have? We have a Geekria headphone accessory expert, and the cable is this faux leather kind of thingy. I don't know why it's even here. This old junk. Okay, so we have a headphone cable. This headphone cable is supposed to be 1.2 meter long. It's clearly shorter than this cable. Okay, so 1.2. Some lazy person to actually measure it completely. I decided to use this. It's 4 by roughly 30. So yes, that's gonna be 1.2. All right. So as you see, over here we have this special connector which has 4 pins. Okay. So which is, if you see my other video, in my exploration for these headphones, in attempt to actually buy another cable from Geekria to see if it's actually can be used, these headphones can be used as balanced headphones. Anyways, but this is not the topic right now. So this is proprietary cable and it goes in here. Connector, sorry, not cable, and it's twist. Okay, this was actually quite easy. So now we have to use kind of music source, which in this case will be my favorite MP3 player of all times, LG G7. Let me find some, like, it's probably better to find, to approach this differently. File manager. Patrikios. It's a YouTube free music. I hope it's still free. Let's hear it. Well, obviously it's gonna play. So cable is relatively short, but sometimes it's good because a short cable is all right when you, for example, using it with MP3 player like this or player like this or cell phone or anything like that, because if you use something like this, it's pretty long. It's like a 2.5 meters or something, pretty long. Or if you're using this coiled cable, it's actually quite annoying because it can be stretched quite a long distance, but it's bulky. So far for $11, I think it's still a bit too expensive. Okay, for this kind of quality, I would pay, I don't know, $6. It's my price. I would pay $6, but I didn't have any other choice. Plus the immediate delivery. So on positive side, this is quite soft, so I like it. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. but so far I like it. It kind of resembles this material. I'm not sure if this is silicone. This is probably some kind of flexible TPU, like nice looking. But so far this is nice and compact. I think 1.2 meter. I would like to have like 1.5 meters for honestly a little bit longer, a little bit. So 1.2 is kind of on the shorter side. But if you're using it with the device like this, I think that's gonna cut it. I think it's gonna work fine. So what's my verdict? This is gonna be short. So this is okay. It's sort of kind of gold plated, believe you or not. I don't think it is gold plated. Some kind of who knows what painted. So yeah, I'm not sure about how this gold plated or just faux gold plated or like fake gold plated, but so far it looks okay. So we don't know about the strength obviously over here. And over here, this is the typical places where headphone connectors are breaking down. So we have to, time only will tell. But it's okay. I think this is gonna work. So we're gonna give it a try. And after a while, if this ain't gonna go, bad on me, I'm gonna make another review and say this is bad. But so far the cables I bought from Anker is actually quite good, and this is Geekria was returned, that Geekria from this video that I mentioned earlier, and this one we will see. So guys, I think it's gonna be a short one. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please stay tuned for my video. Stay safe and ciao.